Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How's your day going? Good? Alright, that's what I like to hear. So I didn't really know what to do at the beginning of this video, but let's just jump right in. So I'm taking my concealer and I'm just spreading it across my eyelid as a base. I don't set this, I just leave it wet so everything can stick a little better. I learned this from Instagram. And if you're anything like me, makeup can definitely be super tricky, so that's why I'm using the tape. You kind of see me mess around with it a little bit just because I'm trying to picture in my head how I want this look to turn out, and I don't want it to be, I don't want the smudged eyeliner to look so thick on the corners. So yeah, that's just me trying to figure that part out. And then once you guys figure that out, make sure you just press on it because you don't want anything to go under the tape. Next, I'm taking this beige color in this palette that I got from the best monthly subscription Boxycharm. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this like on the top part of my lash line towards the outer corner. This is gonna make it look really faded out. I'm taking another palette that I got from my Boxycharm box, and this is a little bit of like a darker beige. So I'm kind of going like dark to light, no wait, I'm sorry, light to dark. Doing the same thing, so the top of the eyelash line towards the corner. And I added a little bit of concealer at the top because I brought it too high. Next, I grabbed this dark brown shade, which I thought was dark brown, but it had like purple tones in it. But I just kept it like that because honestly, like, what am I gonna do? I already put it on my eyelid. It kind of is really pretty though, so I kept it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend everything out with my blending brush. Then this black shade in the first palette that we used, I'm gonna line my eyelash line. Is that what you guys call it? And bringing that out towards the corner and blending that out. So this is how we're going to create the smudged look. Just go ahead and take your blending brush and blend all that out. So I was so surprised that I was actually kind of doing good. So I'm taking this liner pot. It's like a gel liner, also from Boxycharm. And I'm just going to put this in the corner and then drag it out. I don't want to drag it towards the middle too much. Just blend, blend, blend. That's like the best thing you can do. I'm not even that good at makeup, but I had to learn that the hard way. So I just kept blending up a storm. Next, I'm taking this L'Oreal liner and I'm just going to line the inner corner and bring that out towards the middle. And I think bring it out towards the corner. No, I don't. Okay. That's just me, you know, blending a little bit more. Blending out those harsh lines. Do you guys think I'm doing good? Like, I think I'm doing pretty good. Like this video if you guys think I'm doing a good job. So this is me just adding a little bit of black eyeshadow in the corner, just so it looks darker towards that corner. Next, my favorite part. Yes! Like, look how sharp that looks. Come on. The tape is the best thing to use. So I'm using the first beige color that I used, and we're going to put that on the bottom lash line. Followed by, literally I just tapped my brush in the black and I just did that to make it smoky. So take any lashes you want. I got these from Walgreens. I'll put it down below. I don't remember what they're called. And I always use the eyelash curler to clamp it together because it, you know, it brings everything together. So to hide that glue, I'm just going to put a little bit of more of the black liner so everything looks, you know, well put together. You know, you're not slacking and you have the glue everywhere. Does it look good? Oh my god, I think it looks really good. I mean, I could have like shaded a little bit more black above the lash line, but not too bad, right? I was always scared about doing this look because blending is like hard for me, but I think I did a really good job. Anyways, add some mascara to the bottom and upper lashes. I'm literally so proud of myself. It's not that bad. So I just added, you know, some lipstick and I love this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you, Jesus. I did really good. I mean, I think so. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.